In the cryptocurrency world, alt season is just like Christmas. So the big question in the cryptocurrency world is, when is Christmas? Before we get into it, be sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you can get fresh content as soon as we upload it. Also, make sure to check out the link in the description for my best recommendations when it comes to making money with cryptocurrency. Now let's get into it. Alt season or altcoin season is the period or time in the year when a lot of participants in the cryptocurrency market build or develop towards altcoins an intensely positive attitude. This leads to exponential profits for altcoins, as a whole that is. Alternative coins to Bitcoin. Altcoins have seen massive gains in the past during alt seasons, most notably in December 2017, when most altcoins more than doubled in value over the course of a few weeks of consistent, almost uninterrupted uptrends. Alt season happens to be a time in the market when the majority of investors and traders make the most or the huge part of their gains during a year. Whether they're out investing or trading in altcoins to get more fiat or Bitcoin, like the flower industry, which derives the majority of its sales from a single day, Valentine's Day. Altcoins saw massive gains for a total of around 10 weeks in 2017, equating to nearly a quarter of the year. For around a month in May 2017, altcoins rallied, except for a few weeks each in August 2017 and December 2017. However, the cryptocurrency market suffered an extended hangover from the December 2017 exponential surge, which saw Bitcoin hit new all-time highs of $20,000 for the first time. As a result, 2018 only managed to provide the cryptocurrency world with a couple of short-lived alt seasons in April and possibly September, October. In 2018, alt seasons have been scarce, which is why many in the crypto world on Twitter have been asking cryptocurrency analysts, including myself, the following question: can you tell me when alt season is? In this video, I'll show you how to use a helpful metric that I use to time alt seasons. And you can too. The ultimate alt season timing metric. Bitcoin superiority is a useful metric for predicting when alt season will occur. Bitcoin dominance is described as Bitcoin's share of the total cryptocurrency market capitalization. In other words, Bitcoin dominance indicates how many people are actually buying and keeping Bitcoin on the market. When it comes to Bitcoin dominance, there are two main concepts to consider. Golden rule number 1. As more people purchase or simply keep Bitcoin, its dominance grows. Golden rule number 2. When more people sell Bitcoin, the currency's dominance decreases. With just a glance at these two fundamental concepts, it's clear that buying altcoins as Bitcoin dominance is on the rise isn't a good idea. This is due to the fact that people are more likely to hold Bitcoin than altcoins. People usually buy Bitcoin and sell altcoins as a result of this. In other words, this generally means that the price of Bitcoin rises, while the price of different altcoins falls. It will be a losing trade and a huge opportunity cost to holding altcoins at this moment. When Bitcoin dominance is uptrending, you not only lose money with altcoins, but you also lose the chance to make money with Bitcoin. When Bitcoin supremacy breaks, though, it's a whole different story. As principle number 2 implies, as more people offload Bitcoin, Bitcoin dominance declines. What's the best way to get rid of Bitcoin? There are two ways to do this: A, sell Bitcoin for fiat, or B, sell Bitcoin for altcoins. As you might expect, when Bitcoin's dominance is dwindling, it's the perfect time to invest in altcoins. The reason for this is because more people are purchasing altcoins instead of Bitcoin, causing altcoin prices to rise. According to this logic, alt seasons have arisen when Bitcoin supremacy has diminished, as shown by the Bitcoin dominance chart below. Indeed, the best performing alt seasons happened when Bitcoin dominance was at its lowest point. Golden rule number 3. When Bitcoin's dominance declines, people are more likely to invest in altcoins, resulting in alt seasons. Golden rule number 4. The bigger the alt season, the deeper the fall in Bitcoin supremacy. Why are we on the verge of a new season? Sharp drops in Bitcoin dominance have always resulted in large altcoin valuation increases. As a result, it's critical to determine the probability of a sudden decline in Bitcoin dominance in order to time an alt season. The 50% dominance level is the most critical level for Bitcoin dominance right now. Figure 3. The Bitcoin dominance map has reached a historically important level of 50%. The 50% mark is important for the following reasons. The last time Bitcoin dominance broke the 50% mark was on December 19th, triggering the greatest alt season in cryptocurrency history. Since then, Bitcoin dominance has dipped below 32% and risen above 50%, also bouncing off it in mid-August and early October of 2018. And January 2nd, 2019. Breaking down from the 50% level has resulted in exponential rises in the price of most altcoins in the cryptocurrency sector. According to historical Bitcoin dominance results, only once has there been a breakdown from the 50% mark. However, as this occurred, Bitcoin dominance fell sharply and rapidly, resulting in asymmetrical outcomes in the altcoin sector. So, what's next? Past data patterns do not always predict future data trends, but history does not repeat itself. But it always rhymes, as Mark Twain put it. The likelihood of an alt season increases dramatically if Bitcoin dominance falls below 50%. Of course, Bitcoin dominance could bounce back from 50% and continue to rise. And there are some technical reasons in favor of this. Finally, it's crucial to be able to understand the historical significance of the 50% Bitcoin supremacy stage, as well as the fact that alternative cryptocurrencies might be reaching a critical crossroad in their price behavior. It's also about gaining a better understanding of the strange interplay between Bitcoin dominance and the price behavior of these altcoins. Today may or may not be alt season. Alt season might not happen in a week's time. However, if it does occur, it is prudent to at least be prepared. After 2 belligerent years, 2020 became a memorable year for investors in cryptocurrency. The emergence of DeFi was promising in the summer, but Bitcoin stole the show and broke its all-time high price again and again at the end of the year. Some analysts, however, predict that they will be altcoin by the beginning of 2021. By influencer and market analyst Nicholas Merton, altcoin season, or alts, is almost upon us. Merton claimed that the 100 BTC dominance charts in a video he uploaded to YouTube showed that an upward trend was occurring between altcoin and Bitcoin dominance. Since we set this new bottom here in mid-November, we've been holding up significantly well ever since we had this solid week of price action. Heading into the near or later portion of November, Merton said in his video, "We've been able to retain the majority of the gains and are now forming a wedge in this region. I'm optimistic that everything will turn out well, that things will pick up and break out here in the near future, getting ready for alt season takeoff." As Bitcoin reaches new highs, history shows that altcoins might be on the verge of taking off. Notably, altcoins have traditionally rallied in the aftermath of Bitcoin's all-time highs in the past 2 bull cycles. For example, after Bitcoin had launched above its old high of $250 in 2014, Litecoin made a popular breakout. During this time frame, LTC reached highs of around $50 while BTC soared to $1,200. Notably, after Bitcoin's halving case in 2016, both Ethereum and Ripple rallied. This sparked a rise in Ether's price to an all-time high of $1,420 in early 2018. Several weeks after Bitcoin's previous all-time high was reached in late 2017, XRP followed suit, reaching an all-time high of $3.34. If history repeats itself, altcoins may be on the verge of a series of massive runs to new all-time highs. These movements may be aided by the introduction of PayPal support for cryptocurrencies, which will make it easier to trade Bitcoin and other altcoins, allowing for greater acceptance, as well as the creation of more stable and trustworthy exchanges, as opposed to previous crypto rallies in the past decade. Despite Bitcoin's supremacy dipping before a recent rebound, it's possible that altcoins are preparing for further investment. More so, in mid-December, Bitcoin's dominance in the market increased to about 2%. However, it's still not a time to be laid back. There is more to be done. That would be all for today's video. If you're looking to learn more about finance and investing topics like this, stay tuned for our next videos. Also, make sure to check out the link in the description for my best recommendations when it comes to making money with cryptocurrency. Don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on anything. See you next time.